Hi guys, Joe's from Prepper in the Woods here, and I'm going to do a quick video. It's starting to get dark, so I want to get this done. I got the Polymath Products Phantom stove. So because I bought this, I used my discount of Prepper in the Woods and I got 12% off. At the moment I'm going to show you everything you have, and I'm going to talk about it honestly because I paid for it. So I'm going to show you how I would use it. I'm not a big fan of spirit stoves, but I'm going to give it a go because Polymath Products makes really good stuff. So I'm going to that's the reason why I bought it, really, because they made it. So let's put it all together. I'll show you how I load it up. I'm going to do a couple different tests on it and we'll see how it goes. This is what you get. It comes in a package. So it comes in a package with a lid on the bottom, nice felt on top. It's quite smooth. So the lid is for the gel and the felt is for the alcohol. Comes with a little bag with the instructions and also the windshield and the stand. The stand just snaps together really easy and it's quite sturdy. So we'll use that first. I think we're going to use the spirit one first, and we'll use the lid for the gel in a bit. Alright, so that's 50 ml. I went out and bought this one just for this meth spirit, so it didn't cost too much. So I'm going to use a 60 ml cup, but just not filled up all the way. And it says that 35 ml can boil 1 liter of water, so that'll be interesting. I already got this all over me. Right, so let's see if I can pour this in here without spilling it everywhere. Oh, that's a no. I'm going to pour a little bit more into that because I did spill it. Try and make this a fair test. Don't worry, I'll wash that measuring cup out. Right, I poured 16 ounces of water into this cup here. Put the lid on. I'm going to put the windshield up as recommended. And then what we'll do is I'll light this, put it on there, and I'll time it. And then we can see how long it takes. The average time of everybody else is doing is 8 minutes. So that'll be interesting. I'll just get my stopwatch. Stopwatch is there. So let's see if I don't burst myself into flames first. Okay, it's on. Okay, so stopwatch is on. So we'll see now how long this takes. Right, so we're at 8:35 now, well 37, and the flames are coming up to about here. The camera probably won't pick that up. It does sound like it's boiling. Let me see if I can do this without burning myself too badly. Yep, and the water is boiling. Let's see if I can just show you that quick, just to prove it. So that worked as described, so I'm happy with that. So after 10 minutes, you still got a really good healthy flame here. Cover that up in there. So the windshield definitely done its job. It's not blackened or anything. It's definitely hot. So happy with that. Now I want to do the next bit, which is using the lid. Right, the next bit I want to test is filling the lid with some gel, and the lid always pops off on this. So, and then see how we get on. Because I'd never cooked with fire gel before. I've only ever used it for fire starting in bad weather. Let's just put a bit on this. I think that might be enough. A little bit more. If I have too much than too little, because it's going to be dinner for me. Right, so that's how much fire gel in there. It's not totally full, but I think it's enough. Alright, it's lit. Now, what I want to test is, can I cook on it? So I'm going to try to cook some sausages on it and see how I get on. Right, so I managed to actually cook 8 sausages on this. The pan, the shield took a lot of the grease fire there, and that's how it looks when you use the gel on it. Zoom in up. Let me autofocus. Hold on. So there, so it does blacken a bit. But I'm pretty sure you can. Come on, hurry up. Oh, this thing's awful. Right, so yeah, so it blackens a bit. Quick turn off. Yeah, so after you use the gel, it does blacken a bit, so I'm guessing it'll just clean right out. I'm not too worried about that right now. The stand itself was really sturdy. The shield was very helpful. It stopped me getting a lot of grease on me. If you see there, oh no you can't. But yeah, overall it's pretty good. I like that one so far. Right, so final thoughts. Considering I haven't worked with spirits too much before, I worked with the gel, but only for starting fires ready in wet weather. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. For under £10, I've cooked 8 sausages on the gel, and I boiled water in around about 8 minutes with spirits. So I'm not happy with that. You know, it says everything it's supposed to do, worked fine, didn't have any issues on it. So yeah, it's a good buy. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to purchase this. Again, if you use Pepper in the Woods, you get 12% off. Thanks guys for watching. I'm going to enjoy my noodles and my sausages now, or something. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and for those who wanted the update on this, it is a good buy if you're into that kind of stuff with spirits and gel burners and stuff. So if you want to go away from wood burning for a little bit and try something different, I'd go this way. So thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.